testing this Hoover and this Oreck, and I'm going to be the only one. We're going to be seeing which one cleans more, and it's going to be a really dirty job. And mine is Ronan, yeah. So, we'll start with the Hoover, which is over here. Right. I didn't like it. I don't like this bit of dirt. Why don't vacuums work all the time? Now let's do this beautiful Oreck.
You mess it up again.
I am so impressed with this, and this is a lot worse. The Hoover's a lot worse, yeah. I hope you enjoyed our video. I'll see you next time on our next vacuuming video about the Hoover and Oreck.